Hello, I'm Andy George and I'm lab leader at Ceroplast.
So tell us a bit about Ceroplast Dental Lab.
So Ceroplast was started by my father in the 1960s and it grew quite quickly. He then got a partner, a guy called Dennis Davis, and he's the guy who invented the original Hydro Flask, which a lot of labs people will know about. We just gently expanded. Dad started doing denture work, and then I came in and we expanded to crown and bridge, chrome, implants, and obviously eventually digital.
Tell me a bit about your customers, what sort of customers you've got, where are they located, how many of them?
So we deal with a lot of surgeries, we do a lot of lab to lab, but mainly the dentists, we deal with about 350 to 400 dentists. Varies from prisoners, we do a lot of prison work, and we do a lot of private, across the board implant work and anything really, from NHS work to attachment work and everything in between, all made on the premises here. The only thing we don't make are implant beams, which we outsource to Bristol CAD/CAM.
Regarding the product kind of mix that you've got going on here at Ceroplast, if you had to kind of like break it down into percentages, could you kind of go through that with me?
Denture work's probably 50%, something like that. Chrome, 20%, no, probably a bit less than that, 15%, the rest is crown and bridge and implant work.
What has your experience been of digital dentures?
Fabulous. Digital dentures are brilliant. They're coming up. We're doing more and more. You've actually got two people behind you designing them as we speak. And we do as much as we can digitally, but it just depends on the client and what we're actually producing. They're very good for, the Dentuvo Bronze is a winner for us for NHS work, and we're just increasing our gold, silver and gold. And they're getting better every day.
Do you work with Ashford?
Yes, we do. All our printed stuff goes to Ashford, and they're brilliant. They do 5 days, we get them back, no issues. Trim them up. You save such a lot of bother with digital dentures, as you don't have to flash pack and invest them. It's just brilliant. You save so many stages, and it saves so much time and money for all the clients.
What's your experience so far of going digital and getting your customers to go digital?
It's been very good since the pandemic, really. Since COVID, people needed to spend less time in the mouth, taking less impressions. So digital has gone like that for us. It's just taken off. As you can see, this was a lecture room and that's just full of computers, milling machines and printers. So for us, it's the way forwards, and everything else will gradually drop by the wayside.
What percentage of your dentists do you think are kind of gone digital?
Crown and bridge, probably 60%, something like that. And everything else, 10%. Ortho, we get a lot of ortho digitally, you know, like night guards and Essex retainers and things like that, because most people are doing Invisalign, so they've got the scanners. So we're encouraging people to buy scanners from Bristol as soon as they can, because they're so cost effective compared to Improgum and all the other products. I mean, it costs a fortune, a tub of Improgum, and it's easier.
What are your thoughts on photogrammetry and teeth in a day?
I think it's a good idea, as long as the training's there. We need lots of training, and we're looking forward to it. In fact, we're doing a course tomorrow. Peter, our head of implants, is doing a course tomorrow to get the basics and go from there. We're waiting to get started. I think it'd be, and again, another product that will help the clients and raise revenue.
So what do you think of the ALS Academy?
I think it's brilliant. So everybody can access it and they can take their training further or as far as they want to go. And young trainees we've got downstairs can now go on a course and they can get all the stages they need to improve their working life and move forward within ALS. So it's a great product.
Tell me a bit about your team here and the sort of teamwork and the environment.
The most important thing to me is hit the people. Really, everything else is irrelevant. Without the best team you can get, it doesn't work. So everybody chips in and works together to get the work done and to improve ourselves and to train and go further and bigger and better. And I think we're expanding all the time and getting better, particularly digitally. So they're brilliant. Without the team, you've got nothing. We buy the best materials, we use the best materials, we use the best technicians, we all work together doing that, and everything is checked. So it's double checked. Heads of department check their staff's work, and then it's ultimately checked again by me. Every product's checked by me at the end of the day. And if I'm not here, the heads of department do it. Every single day, every single product.
And on the customer service front, Have you got good relationships with your customers?
Yeah, a lot of them we count as friends. So yeah, a very good relationship. We contact each other by email or phone or WhatsApp is increasingly, we get lots of WhatsApp now. So yeah, it's all about communication, isn't it?
How's your journey been with ALS? Do you enjoy being part of the group?
Yeah, I do, because we've got a lot of backup. So anything that I used to wear many hats for, like doing HR and marketing and all the stuff that one person in charge does, is all catered for. So at any time I can just pick up the phone or email somebody and they'll help me. And we get information. And it's good because we've got the WhatsApp group between the heads of the labs, and they say, do you know anything about this? Have you got one of those? And we all help each other. So it works really, really well. And my journey's been brilliant.
Is there anything that makes Ceroplast special as a lab, would you say?
Yeah, the team, the people I work with. The people I work with have been here years. So they very rarely leave, and occasionally they do. But even the ones that do leave, they do come back, which is nice. So to me, it's all about the staff, the people around me. And that's it.